Baguio time!
Kapon lang pinagpanuwan.
Kapon lang namin pinlano. Dapat talaga hindi kami babagyo. Biglaan, isang araw lang halos lahat yung plano. Hindi, ilang oras lang, no?
Isang oras lang.
Isang oras lang. Nag-book agad ng accommodation, tapos nag-book agad ng ticket sa bus. Ganyan kami kalala. So ito yung hallway ng aming hotel. Aming pinag-check-in. As you can see, may mga open na door. Nagtatakot kami kasi November 1. Oh my God. It's a horror.
Oh, Japanese doon.
Hello. Let's go. My name is Pink and I'm really glad to meet you. Charot. Alis kami, kukunin namin yung nirent ni Karch na motor. Ay, nandito na pala sa baba. So, gagala na kami. Pero magla-lunch muna kami.
A whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named.
Hello guys! So, we're here at Balay Inasal. So, ito yung mga in-order namin. Actually, si Coach umorder. So, ito na naman yung review natin. Ang last review namin is nung Palawan pa. So, ito na naman kami dalawa. Naggala na naman kami. So, ito, pakita ko sa inyo yung in-order namin. Nakita lang naman to sa TikTok. So, ayun. Try natin. Aspiring food vlogger kami mag-jowa. So, ito, tara, tignan natin. Ano siya? May pickled cucumber, and then rice, and then itong picho. Medyo malaki siya in fairness, In fairness, golden yung spoon. Tignan mo natin kanin. Kung juicy siya. Daming kamay.
Sorry. Ito pala lang.
Kanin. Sarap. Sarap siya. Tignan natin yung kansi. Init. Init ng lagayan. Shucks. Ito yung kansi. Tikman natin. Init yung lagayan. Ibababa ko na lang siya. Lamig! Uy, ang sarap. Asim-asim. Sarap.
Sorry, nakatayo ako. Ang nag-isikip na sa plastic.
Ano lasa?
Sarap. Bang ina.
Dito kami sa Diplomat Hotel.
While I stay in my lane, but something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving
Dito kami
behind
sa Artisans Village.
what I hold
Ito po
inside.
ang aming
If I
performance.
don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside you. She hums a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on her wrist and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my fear. But time rolls on like open roads, and soon she won't be here. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today,
Ayun lang guys, magpapahinga muna kami since kakabalik lang namin at wala pa kaming tulog.
to walk
So,
Bakit naman boss naman, charo tayo.
shout out Miss Bon. Nakita namin. Anyway, see you bukas.